Hello dear students, in my previous lecture I have told you that how sheet is generated in AutoCAD. Now today we are going to discuss some more new commands of AutoCAD. But before starting the new commands, this is our user interface, and this A button which is at left top corner, this is called as application button, which includes new, open, save as here, and this horizontal line will show you quick access toolbar. For example, this same function is there: new, open, save as. So this is like this. Now this area is called as ribbon area. This area is called as ribbon area, and the ribbon area contains draw, modify commands, annotation commands, layers, block, properties, and many more. And there is a status toolbar at the right lower part of the AutoCAD, and this is called as status bar toggle. And this is status bar toggle is used to draw a precise and good drawing in AutoCAD. So this is the accessory for drawing in AutoCAD that will help in precise drawing. Okay, so today we are going to start some new commands of AutoCAD. So starting of AutoCAD, we get the line command. In draw section, we get line command. So for operating line command, we use this part of ribbon area. This part of ribbon area, and draw is represented here. So draw means if we select line, our line command operates. Other way of creating line command is we have to type L to create line and then press enter. Your line command operates. So from if we have to operate from here, then we have to click on line. So after clicking the command, we get the cursor like this, plus symbol, and each thing on AutoCAD is user friendly. When you click on line command, then line command operates, and you will get the next step that what we have to do next in the line command line. Line specify first point. So every line has 2 points, starting point and end point. So it is asking you that specify first point. You have to provide the first point that you want to draw a line. So first you have to specify the first point of the line. Let us suppose मुझे यहाँ से line start करनी है. So I will click on this point. Okay. And now I can draw a line straight and at an angle. So to drawing straight line, what I have to do, I have told you that there is a status bar toggle at the right bottom corner of the AutoCAD. This one. There is a symbol that is perpendicular symbol, and ortho mode is there. Ortho mode is there. When this ortho mode is on, this symbol is blue in color, and your line will move either in horizontal direction or in vertical direction. You cannot move at an angle. It will move only in 90 degree, at 90 degree. So when ortho mode is on, your line will move either horizontal or vertical. You cannot move the line at an angle. When this ortho mode is off, then you can draw the line at any angle. Okay. So let it on it. After clicking it on this symbol, we can also on this ortho mode by using the function key F8. If you press F8, then ortho mode is on. Then if we press it again, then ortho mode is off. And each information you will get from the command line. You will see that first I have done ortho on, then again I have off, then again on. Now the line is saying that specify next point. We have to specify the next point, or we can say that the end point of the line. So I am not giving any dimension, that I have click here. Now the line is over. This means the line is over at this point. The line is over is this point. So to come out from the line command, what we have to do? We have to press escape from your keyboard. So by pressing escape button, your line command disappears. Okay, so in this way this line will operate it. Now again, if we again choose line command, then line command operates, and you want to draw the line from the end point of the previous line. So what we have to do, we will choose the point, and this is the first point, and then again it is don't going in any angle. So I will off this ortho mode, and this line can move at any angle. So for ending this line, we have to click at the end point. So select next point and click here. Now to come out from the line, we have press escape, and this is over. So this is how the line is drawn in AutoCAD. Now the next is command that is used in draw command, that is polyline. Polyline and line is similar to each other, but there is a small difference in polyline and simple line. So for starting the drawing by using polyline, we have to click at the certain point. Let us suppose I have clicked here. Now this can be moved at any angle. If I press ortho command, then it will move only in vertical and horizontal direction. Then again, if I will press ortho mode, then ortho mode is off, and it can be drawn at any angle. So to come out from the polyline command, we have to press escape. So now what is the difference? If we click on line command, then a single line is selected by clicking on a line which we have to select. We have to select this line, we have click on this, we will get this type of symbol. And if we select this line, then we will get this. So if we have to select number of lines, then we have to select each line. Now in case of polyline, if I have to select polyline, then if I have to click only at one place, and the whole line gets selected. Okay, so this is the difference between line and polyline. Now how this polyline is converted to simple line? For that, what we have to do, we have to use explode command. Now what we have to do, we have to type explode command. Explode, EXPLODE, explode. Enter. This explode command will help you to convert a polyline to simple line. Now what we have to do, we have to select the polyline. You have to select the polyline. Then again press explode. Now it is a user friendly software, so it will giving you that explode select object. जिस ऑब्जेक्ट को आपको एक्सप्लोड करना है, ब्रेक करना है डिफरेंट लाइन में, उसको सेलेक्ट करना है. तो this one, so I have selected this, then enter. Okay, now if you press on this line, you can see that the polyline gets exploded and it is converted into the different line. Okay, so this polyline is converted into simple line. So this is for today. What we have learned the function of line command, function of poly command, function of ortho command, and function of explode command, that how the polyline is converted into simple line using explode command. So today's lecture is over. We will discuss the next new commands in my upcoming lecture. Thank you so much and have a nice day.